In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to send crypto via MetaMask. If you found this video useful, consider subscribing to the channel. Okay, so click under the Coinbase wallet. In this case, I have an extension on the desktop instead of using the app. Okay, and then once your Coinbase wallet has loaded, you want to click receive. And you have different options here to receive from Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin, Dogecoin, Litecoin, etc. But for this video, we're going to receive from Ethereum. So go over and click copy, which is the second option. Or you can click the QR code if you would like, and then you'll have an option to copy your Ethereum address right here. And then locate another wallet where you want to send the Ethereum so you can receive it. Okay, in this case, I have some Ethereum on the MetaMask where I would like to send to my Coinbase wallet. You can update the gas fees. We'll basically have a lower or a higher fee when sending crypto. In this case, I'm sending a little bit of Ethereum. Go back to your Coinbase wallet, and voila, you have now received Ethereum. Thanks for watching. Check out the playlist and subscribe to the channel for more video tutorials.